Alright, well, let's do an inspection on this old Bryant. Old bimetal standing pilot. These things would separate at the dimples. Not so much crack. Looks like it hasn't been started up this year. It's got dog hair in it. There's dust bunnies in there. It's actually, oh, what's that? Dust. Oh, this is gonna be a peach when this starts up. Even if I can get it started up. Dog hair in the heat exchanger. Alright. So let's see if I got voltage. Well, no, I don't think I have voltage. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. X to here, I got nothing. Well, let me go see if the thermostat's on. Okay, the thermostat is calling. Do I have any voltage anywhere? I don't have any voltage anywhere. Do we turn a breaker off? This thing is ancient. I don't think I have anything down here. Huh? What? What? Where's the blower? Where's the blower? Huh. It doesn't work. Okay. Is there a blower housing around here? And that would be no. Alrighty then. That, I don't know. Is it running? Yeah, it's running. So that was very confusing. You know, I get to the job and she tells me, well, she had a friend come over this morning and, you know, he pushed that lever and it worked. Oh, okay. So I pushed the lever, it doesn't work. The power was off. Did a heat exchanger inspection, turned the power on, still pushed the lever, still nothing. And then when I started taking it apart, I'm like, you know, I mean, you heard me on the video. Let me just peek down here and make sure there's, you know, no relays or anything down there. I couldn't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, when you pull the bottom door and the blower assembly's missing, I know that furnace, it's not a gravity furnace. And she's like, well, it worked last year, and I don't know. I kind of lost it. I'm like, no, if it did, it's missing parts this year, and I don't know where they went. And she said she was going to call her husband. Maybe he took it out and used it as a blower out in the garage for something. I don't know. But you definitely run into strange people. I don't know what she was trying to do. Pull a fast one? I don't know what she was trying to achieve by calling us out and knowing that it didn't work. And when I was telling her, it was her and her daughter. When I was telling her it didn't work, and she's like, it worked last year, her daughter piped up and said, you're lying. I don't, and I don't know, it was a very strange call. I just collected my service fee and went about my day. I didn't even give them an estimate on the new furnace, because it was rubbing me the wrong way. It was rubbing me really wrong. Some stuff you just have to get in and get the hell out. Yeah, you want to help everyone, but sometimes you just can't. I got a feeling if I would have gave him an estimate, nothing would have been, you know, I shouldn't judge people, but I don't think anything would have became of it. But if something did become of it where she did buy a new furnace, I just got that feeling it would have been more of a disaster than what it would be worth to the company. Sometimes jobs like that are better off smaller company that have more time to actually sort out a mess, because I think that house was a mess beyond what I seen. When I walked into the kitchen, the floor was buckled up, you know, really bad. They got plumbing issues. They got all kinds of issues going on in the house. So unfortunately, you just can't help everyone. Unfortunately, you can't. Wish I could, but I can't. Alright guys, give me a thumbs up. I will see you on the next one.